Enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, healthy, great-tasting drinking water straight from your kitchen tap for cooking and making delicious coffee, tea and ice. Save money, time, and hassle of buying costly, bottled water and live healthier with ultra-safe water that is 99% contaminant-free. This premium-grade RO-PH90 system has been tested and certified to the highest standard in the industry WQA Gold Seal, to guarantee the highest contaminant removal rates, giving you the purest water possible. This stringent QC process eliminates even the slightest component imperfections to guarantee a system that removes up to 99% of all contaminants, such as chlorine, taste, odor, toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, and chromium, and is completely free from water leaks, bursts, and noises. All US-made super high-capacity filters. First stage, high-grade 5 microns, 10-inch high-capacity polypropylene sediment filter removes dust, particles, and rust. Protects and extends the life of the membrane and system. Second stage and third stage, premium extruded carbon block filter, gets rid of unpleasant chlorine, tastes, odors, cloudiness, and colors. Also removes VOC and other common chemicals from the water. Fourth stage, industry's highest quality filter, Dow Chemical, high rejection TFC reverse osmosis membrane. Removes up to 99% of TDS, total dissolved solids, and contaminants such as arsenic, lead, fluoride, chromium, radium, and much more. Fifth stage, advanced coconut shell refining carbon 10-inch filter-TCR, total contamination removal, removes any possible residual taste from the tank. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supreme quality. Built with super long-lasting 100% US-made filters, RO-PH90 is the most durable system in the industry that lasts for decades. The system is designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA to guarantee water safety and your health. Number 2. High performance. Guaranteed to remove up to 99% of contaminants such as chlorine, taste, odor, VOCs, as well as toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, heavy metals, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Provides unlimited ultra-fresh, clean, great-tasting water right at home. Save money, time, and hassle of buying costly, bottled water. Number 3. WQA Certified. RO-PH90 is tested and certified by WQA to remove up to 99% of contaminants including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Number 4. pH Enhanced. Add 100% US-made high-purity calcium carbonate to effectively raise pH in the water for those who desire alkaline water. Number 5. Equipped with premium faucet and parts. Comes with 100% metal, 100% lead-free luxury designer faucet, plus JG food-grade tubing to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. The original, top-notch JG Quick Connect fittings for easy and secure leak seal. Number 6. Lifetime support. Provides you the ultimate satisfaction and peace of mind with our lifetime support and 2-year manufacturer warranty with registration. Number 7. Super capacity filters for 2x life. APEC Premium US-made super capacity filters last up to 12 months, and with lower system maintenance and fewer filter change-out. Number 8. Super Efficient APEC Carbon Blocks. Our double carbon blocks are uniquely designed in achieving the maximum possible chlorine and chemicals removal in drinking water. The extremely large carbon block surface maximizes contact time to ensure water purity and multiplies the lifetime of filters and membranes. Number 9. Superb taste and water purity. APEC's premium quality products result in excellent refreshing taste and water purity that is more distinctive than any other brand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.